Hey guys, what's up? It's Megadon again, and we're back to Ratchet and Clank, and we're gonna, before I ended the first episode, I didn't upgrade the weapons, so we're gonna start out with doing that. I kind of have a better idea of what I'm doing. Still kind of confusing. Well, it's not really confusing, but still figuring some stuff out. So right now we're figuring out how to upgrade weapons. Okay, use Raritarium to purchase upgrades. I have 9 apparently, and I could... Okay, so this will give me bonus bolts. I don't know what that means. Shake down enemies for even more. Okay. And then you can select multiple upgrades for purchase by highlighting them. Okay. Whoa, what am I doing? Press X again to purchase the chain. Oh, okay, so it costs 1 for each upgrade, and I've got 9. Okay, got it. Makes your weapon hurt more, pain more. Okay. Unlock mystery upgrades by purchasing all adjacent upgrades. That's all there is to it. Use the Raritanium to upgrade weapons. Okay. So, oh goodness, there's a... You can upgrade a lot then. Okay, that's kind of cool that they have that many upgrades. I like that. And this is for the combustor, so... Each upgrade costs 1. Okay, so that's nice. Are you sure? Yes. And then we'll do a trophy. And then we're gonna get 2 on the ammo. Alright. So we learned that. What is this? Is that the grenade thing? Deploy a supermassive something atom that regularly emanates a wide disk of damaging subatomic energy. Oh, okay, so these are weapons you can buy. And then you can... okay, I got it. Alright, that's cool. I like that. I like how there's a lot of upgradable things you can do with your weapons. So, that's nice. Alright, now there's like 3 different ways we can go. From what I'm... Oh, and here's crystals. Okay, so that's the... Oh, I didn't want to do that yet. So that's what we use to upgrade. Alright. But there's like 3 different ways to go. So we're going to go back here first. I ended up having enough time to make another video from the first one, so... Deepness? Okay. So you only have a certain amount of time to stay underwater. Oh. Can I throw a grenade down there? I'm trying to... I wonder if you can upgrade how long you can stay underwater and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I think I was supposed to go the one way where the lift was. But, so, okay, search caves for hidden treasure. Alright. So, I'm glad I went this way. Oh, these things. I don't know what they are. But they're dead now. They're squishy. Okay, apparently Clank knows all the info on the bad guys. Alright. Oh, I was hoping I could dive in. Is there anything here? I don't see anything. Alright, let's go get a breath and then we'll head down the thingy. Alright. Do we just run into that? How does that work? Okay. Let's say, because I can't hit them. Hit them. Oh. Whoops. I got hit by it. Alright. Is that all we were supposed to do?
More bad guys. Get
More bad guys. Oh, they're there. That guy's a big one. Ah. Oh my goodness, he's not going down. There we go. Oh, he splits into more. Oh my goodness. Ratchet, get out of there. Throw that thing. Bah. 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 Oh, I should have hit all three. Let's get out the grenades. There we go. Oh my, they're not dead after a grenade, really? New cards available. Oh. These guys aren't hard, they're just really annoying. And I didn't get any health back from that. What the hell? Clank, shut up. I'm just kidding. Just kidding, buddy. Alright, so I guess we haven't really found anything. Alright, okay. Is this where we... No, we just come outside. Fill health and ammo. How much is it? Oh, 82? Okay. Fires a stream of burning pyro fluid. I kind of... We're gonna... You know what? No. Might as well cut... We might as well mess with the new weapon, so let's try it. I like the encouragement of setting the world on fire. Alright. Find someone to help repair your ship. Oh, what the F? What in the world are these things? Yeah! Light them biatches on fire. Alright. Okay, cool, you can do that.
Seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Actually, hold on. What's up here? Nothing? Why do you make it? Ah. Oh, wait. Oh, crap. I didn't see that. Okay, hold on. Wait. Alright, here's a whole bunch of stuff. Bolts and goodies. Alright. Didn't want to do that, but okay. Oh, nope, never mind. Wait up. Alright. Get out of here, son. Where's my combustor? Okay. Well, that's not nice. Oh. I'll get this one over here. Get all these goodies. Can I get this? No? My health's already full. Okay. Oh, yeah. Alright. Why you guys gotta hate? Why you gotta be so rude? Oh, wow. Okay, I did not see that big guy over there. Being a real a-hole. A-holes get grenades. Alright, Alright, I don't know. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, that must just started operating them. Okay. I thought they were gonna stay like that forever. Oh, goodness. Buggies. I don't know what they're called, but they're called buggies now.
Unsonic. He's done blood and jammed the transmission. Who's gonna save us now?
Who's this guy?
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? 'Cause I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a
That guy.
distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax forces showed up.
Oh, for a second, that blue guy's voice sounded like Master Roshi from Dragonball Z.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our
It
way
does
to
sound like
see
him a
if
little
our ship
bit.
was shot down.
Tones off.
Perhaps we could
That's
take a
funny.
look.
Well, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those blog soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello.
That sounds. I think that
I'm
might be the same
Alonzo
guy.
Drake, chairman
Not
of
even
Drake
kidding.
Industries.
That's funny.
Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends.
To
Progress.
destroy the world.
Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news?
There's good news.
No, we're coming. So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you.
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it
Yeah,
does
why-
look
why
like
not?
The fastest way down. Let's give it a shot.
All right, hold on. I gotta get these boxes. All right, now we can go. Whee! It's like a Kalahari ride. Oh wait! Oh! Whoa!
That was
That works.
awesome. Want to do it again?
This guy's name is now Roshi. I don't care. I'm calling him Roshi.
That damn Buckwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit, but right now he needs your help.
Roshi, just take me to Goku so I can learn how to Kamehame. Oh my, what am I getting hit by? I'm getting hit by everything. Oh, no, get out of there. What in the world? They're like cannons of grenades. Oh, I got another card. I'm like wasting the crap out of my bullets in this combustor. Yep, they're gone.
Hey, that's a
That's
cool
okay.
relic statue.
That's why I've got my
She's the
little...
youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
The what statue? Oh, okay. Alright, I got combustor ammo. Which I'm gonna need soon. Can I get up in the... Can I get up there? Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, okay, I didn't die. Is there anything down here? Oh, there's a fish. Will those fishes hurt me? Hope not.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe
Oh, no.
underwater.
Aw, crap. I wasn't paying any attention to my health. Damn. Oh, I gotta redo all of that? Oh, not cool, son. Like, I heard the alarm going off, but I didn't think anything about it. Did not even bother. Who's talking exactly? Is this like on the intercom of the city? Because it doesn't sound like Roshi anymore. Yeah, there's Roshi. Ah! Yep, out of ammo again. New card. Alright, we already got that. Oh! I forgot. I got a freaking flamethrower. Why am I not using this? Can I reach him? I'm gonna guess not. But grenades will. Ah, I'm getting hit. Alright, let's go back over here, and let's not die this time, Donald. You dummy. You dum-dum. Alright. Okay. Yeah, when I heard the alarm going off... Well, wait, no, the alarm is for those things. Alright, well, there's no health over there anymore, so... Alright. Alright, should I go check what's underwater over there too? Might as well. Maybe there's some health. Yep. I gotta. Alright. Alright. Nice. Oh, I'm up 30 XP. Nice. Or 30 health, I mean. That's good. Good news right there.
Statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Get it. Get it, sons. Level up. Combustor. Damage increases weapons. Each new level opens new... Okay, right. Alright. So every new level up, I get a... comes with more upgrades. Oh! Ouch. I did not see that coming.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Yep, they're there. Oh no! Ah. Damn. Oh wait, hold on. It knocked me down, but guess what? The river also goes right, so there may be things on the right. Forgive my exploration, guys, but why not? Ooh, there's a lot of blowy up things. Ooh, I got see? Look at the bonuses of exploring. I just got more raritanium, I think. I'm gonna have trouble pronouncing these words. My pronunciation level is not that high. I could use some ammo in my combustor though. This is grenades. Which actually we're gonna use one or two. Because oh, stop it. Okay, where's the combustor? Alright. Those big guys are giving me a lot of trouble. These guys aren't anything, really. Can't get through that door. Can't get through that door. And cutscene.
More of them. That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Agnos Buckwash, mayor of the Tobrat sector of Nova.
Oh, this is when I go prove myself, and then Captain Witchcall's like, "Oh my goodness, you're so amazing." I'm like, "I know, but you're being a dude, dill pickle." Okay, got more health. I need ammo in that darn combustor. There we go. Get set on fire. This works a little bit better on the big guys. Look at all them nuts and bolts. Ah! Oh, who's hitting me? Oh, it's one of those big guys. Uh-oh, I'm dying. Oh no. Alright, there we go. He's not dead yet? What the? Get that health. Alright. I live to see another day. What's this? Oh, more health. Okay.
Thank you. I thought we were done.
Now give me a medal.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you? It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
Oh.
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
I thought his nephew was trying to kill him at
Take a
first.
look.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash, Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematic!
Help! Someone, call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to
Okay, so... Oh, we have a map, too. So, can we do... Alright, find someone to help repair your ship. Optional, search the caves to find hidden treasure. Alright. So... Okay. Got it.
Agreed.
I thought I did search the caves. I didn't see anything, though.
Oh, you did it! Thanks for saving the sector, Red.
Alright, let me go...
Come back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Let me go get all these goodies, and then we'll move on to the next section. Alright.
Rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours.
I guess we go through here. Oh, wait. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, wait, we go back up here? Oh, that guy's gonna help our ship now.
Set out to fix their ship with the help
Roshi,
of
how's it going?
Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Really?
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now
Bleh.
promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
See you, Roshi. Tell Turtle I said hi. Hey, trophy. Oh, another trophy. 2 trophies. Let's go do this. Upgrade weapons. Combustor. What's this? Okay, some more ammo. Bonus bullets. Okay, so now we gotta work. All right, we got 13. Let's work our way to bonus bolts, shakedown. Okay, we could do that. What? And then, all right, let's do that. Stable plasma. The combustor's plasma balls travel even further before burning out, allowing you to pick off enemies from long range. Nice. Okay. And then what about the ones that are blank over there? Alright, I don't know. I know I want to get this combustor up as much as I can, because this seems like the most used weapon. Fusion grenades. What can we do here? Ammo. Area of effects. Alright, let's do area of effects for the last two. Okay. I want to keep everything upgraded because I'm probably going to get that here pretty soon. Let's get in the ship. Wait, hold on a second. We need to go to the cave and find this hidden treasure. So let's go through the cave again. Okay, now it's saying it's like right here.
Get ready.
Oh, I don't want to fight this guy again. At least it was only one. Oh, there comes the other one. Other two, three. What the F? French toast. Oh, you can't take Ratchet. The Slam Barks, whatever he's called. I bet it's this. No, it's not that. What in the world is it then? It's gotta be this box, right? That's the only thing I can see in here. Oh wait, what was that? Oh, that hurts me? It's a freaking mushroom. I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't done this yet.
You are very good at
Oh snap, look at that.
You know, Grandma
Woo.
said the same thing.
Alright. We got it. I'm glad I switched to grenades because I wouldn't have thought about that if I didn't. Alright, well, we got it, guys. We got the card. And now we can get out of here and play the next mission. I think, though, this is a shorter episode than what I was going to do, but I gotta get going to work here soon. So we're going to get into the ship, watch the cutscene, and then we are going to end it right there. Just because I don't have the time that I wish I had.
Ratchet and Clank were delighted.
But we're making a good,
repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation computer.
we're making good progress in the first
Let's see if we
first
can
day
help
of
out
having
Skid
this.
McMarks.
So, all right. So, deliver
Gotta
the
get to go on one of the Rangers.
infobot. So let's go to. Let's go here. So we're gonna travel here, and if there's a cutscene, we'll watch it. If not, we'll just end it, and we will hopefully get another episode going here pretty soon. Good progress, though. Good progress for being the first day I've gotten this game.
Got enough bolts to buy a proton drum.
Wait, is that Skid McMarks up ahead?
Oh, someone help me!
Okay. We will end it here, guys, and then we will help Skid McMarks and do other things. Maybe find some other... Okay, I don't think we have any special things to find in this one. But, alright, guys, we're going to leave out there. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the last video in this one. If you guys did, leave a like at the bottom. Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm trying to get as many videos as I can up whenever I can. It's kind of hard with my schedule I've got going on right now. So, alright guys, I will leave you guys until next time, hopefully, which will be very soon. Alright guys, see you later.